Hi there, and welcome to Drawing Stuff with Paul Yaseman, as in me. Should really add some intro music. Okay, on the weekend I purchased some watercolours. Growing up I used to do lots of watercolours, probably because it was easy for parents to clean up. Anyway, so this week I've been trying watercolours, more sort of ink and washing, as well as just drawing the stuff, and rather than using textures or pencils I've been using watercolours. So you can see the first one on the right there. The top half of the body is a bit dodgy, but I reckon the arse and the legs worked out okay. Today I am experimenting drawing a dog sort of thing I did a while back, seeing if I can sort of reproduce it using watercolours. I'm using about 3 different brands of fineliners for this. One's a Uniball, one's a something or other, I don't remember, and another's Copic, and then I move into brush pen as well. But here's some new pens I picked up, I think that was 2 weekends ago. They're water fast, so they shouldn't run when I do watercolours. This is my surrealistic dog with some wacky eyes, with big eyelashes, very bold colouring, and for whatever reason I gave it a chest mailbox or door. First up, what I try to do is work on the line weights with the fineliner, and here I'm actually using a Copic brush pen, which is supposed to be water fast, and as we see, not so much in a couple of spots. So once I've done that, so that's where you see it's not too colour fast, as in I smudged it when I run my hand over the watercolour paper. And I think when you do that, you're not supposed to smudge it with your hand. But anyway, so the original pictures, blue, purples and oranges, which is I'm trying to reproduce here. I'm painting the watercolours onto wet paper, and I'm also trying, or mostly, testing out what the colours look like on another piece of paper and trying to use them fairly dilute. I do find it for watercolours, if you how should I say this, I'm not using the watercolours in the squeeze tube, I'm using the little blocks of watercolours, so you've got to add watercolour to them to, I guess, dissolve them or whatever happens, bring them out off the little watercolour tab. If you do that directly, you get really strong colours. If you dilute in water first, you get the lighter colours. And then once I coloured in the dog thing, I wanted to make the background, I guess you'd say, interesting. So I just did lots of squiggles and smudgy stuff, experimenting with stuff for the background pretty much. And there you have it, my 3rd watercolour painting / drawing / illustration. Woohoo! Anyway, if you like that, subscribe, like and share, and apparently YouTube gets wet when you comment, so comment, or don't do anything, whatever you like. Anyway, catch you later!